You are going to love 2015 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, running boards, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.